today we'll be doing indigo powder, but since she rinsed this out, so you can see right here the pure henna, how it's showing up. Now you can see right here towards the bottom where she has darker color hair, where she had her hair dyed darker. You previously did have it black, right? Mm-hmm. So, and then afterwards, what color did you do?
I just let it grow out with my natural color on top.
Okay. So what color you had before?
It was my natural color before.
Your natural, okay. Mm-hmm. So you can see right here, the pure henna is more prominent here. And I mean, you could still see it. I'm not sure if you can see it too much in the video. So the bottom is a little dark, but right here, beautiful, beautiful pure henna, natural red color, I would consider this. So we did leave out her strands here, so you can, I don't know if you can see, but very slightly where we did not apply the pure henna, where her brown hair is, and you can tell the difference here. So we're going to go ahead and apply the indigo powder, and we will see the results that will come out dark. I'm excited for that.
Me too.
Okay, so we did mix this for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can see that beautiful purple hue right here. Again, 15-20 minutes. Now if you want to see exact how we mix it, the link is down below. We do have a video to how to mix your pure henna and indigo powder.